Which of these terms is a hotter term? And you can gauge interest over time. You see what happens, right?
Grow your cleaning business, make more money, have more time. This is the Profit Cleaners Podcast with your hosts, Brandon Condry and Brandon Shane.
Hey everybody, Brandon Shane here for another video with the Profit Cleaners. Welcome back, and I want to just share in this video, guys, some Google Trends and how you can use Google Trends to kind of look into your market, see what's popping, what are people interested in, and maybe it's something you can monetize and take something that you can leverage for your business, right? So let's look at it. What is Google Trends? Well, it's this awesome tool that Google built. Here it is. Essentially, you go to trends.google.com, okay? Type that in, trends.google.com, and it brings you to this page. And so it gives you insights into the market. So for example, let's do house cleaning, home cleaning, and let's just see what happens, right? Which of these terms is a hotter term? And you can gauge interest over time, even back to 2019. You could probably go back even further than that. But what this does, it kind of gives you a gauge of the market and its consistency over time. Is it an evergreen market? I think clearly when we started this business, I did this exercise and I typed in keywords like this, and I found, wow, this is definitely a consistent market. It really rarely ever dips. In fact, when COVID was coming out this year, let me show you guys this. At a comparison, COVID cleaning, this was blowing up at one point. This is what I was talking about. So back in March, I saw this happen. COVID cleaning went all the way up to here really fast. And it kind of did this, and then now it's kind of going back up again because we're in another lockdown. But it just kind of gives you an insight to your market. So like, what are people looking for? Let's look at commercial cleaning, okay? Let's see what that looks like. So commercial cleaning is 29, so it's a little bit more down here. So now, although commercial is more about, you might not need as many clients because those are bigger contracts. But as you can see, the house cleaning is definitely more prominent. It has a little more searches. So that's part of the reason we specialize in this market, in the house cleaning market, is it's got a higher volume of search. It's a little more up there. But I just want to share with you guys with this tool. It even goes into like where the highest interest for this is. It'll give you other keywords, related queries, so you can actually get, you break out terms of like really popular things people are searching right then and there. So it's actually kind of a keyword research and a research data trend tool, that I guess you could call it. Anytime you want to see, what people might be searching in the cleaning market, or what terms or things that are more popular. Maybe you're trying to just figure out what you should rank your website for, or what you should advertise for. These kind of keywords, put them in here and see how they stack against each other. And that might give you some insight as far as, how you want to market, how you want to do your SEO, your search engine optimization and whatnot. But you can also, if you're going into a specific market like North Dakota, maybe you can gauge the interest in a certain city or a market, right? Or specifically in Fargo, there's a lot of search volume, okay? Just lots of cool research and data here, guys. So check it out. I'm sure you can find different uses for it, but I always like to use it to find trends, to find things that we could capitalize on as a business, and really just kind of fun in general to see how house cleaning is really an evergreen market, as you can see, right? So it's not going anywhere. It's been around for a long time, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So I think that's a great, kind of insight into the market of house cleaning. It's not like it totally dips off sometimes. It's not seasonal. It shows you that as well. This is not a seasonal business. It's very much consistent. It's what we call an evergreen market. So if you're thinking about getting into the home cleaning business, you're looking into the data, you're researching it, you're wondering, is this a good market? Absolutely. And if you already have a cleaning business and you just want to research trends like COVID cleaning or things like that, see what the breakouts are, see what are people interested in, what are they searching, and then try to provide a solution for your audience, okay? So that's the video for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have fun checking out Google Trends, get some insight into your market, into the cleaning market, and have fun with it. Check us out at profitcleaners.com, and we'll see you guys on the flip side. Keep it clean.